Hey, what's happening, guys? You have tuned into Rules for Rebels, and boy, do we have some huge news for you guys today. As you can see, tank tops have hit Amazon merch. This is huge. People have been waiting for tank tops for a long, long time, and I think most people, if you ask most people, like, what would be the #1 product you'd like to have besides standard t-shirts or a basic t-shirt? And I think above long sleeve tees, above hoodies, above nuddies, above pop sockets, the one product that I've heard people calling for from, day one has been tank tops. I know a lot of print on demand and apparel sellers do very, very well with tank tops. A lot of my friends, a lot of people I talk to who sell on Etsy, they actually do better on their tank tops than they do on standard tees. And a lot of times the margins can be even better as well. So this is huge news. Right now we have Razorbacks. Men's tank tops are not up as of yet. But I imagine they should be following soon. And after we saw that kind of bulk upload thing that Amazon rolled out the other week, which we kind of predicted when Amazon started asking us for approval, I kind of thought some new products might be coming. When they showed like the 5 or 6 products we currently have on that bulk uploader, it just looked a little bit empty. It looked a little bit naked. I was waiting for some more products to hit. And sure enough, as of today, we have Razorback tank tops. Base price is $17.95, and these things came out. What's the date today? Today is April 1st. Today's April 1st. April Fool's Day, guys. There are no tank tops. Sorry about that. But okay, so just in case this isn't clear, there are not tank tops. This is a little April Fool's Day gag. I actually didn't come up with this. I was actually driving home today, and I saw somebody on the Amazon merch forum posted this, and I was at a stoplight. I just happened to be looking at my phone real quick, and I saw a picture, and I was like, oh shit, we got tank tops. And it wasn't until I got home and I started digging in to make this video that I realized somebody said like April Fool's Day. Somebody threw this together on Photoshop. So we don't have tank tops. But stay tuned. There should be some exciting merch news coming out. I got a couple merch videos I'm going to be putting out in the next couple days. I wanted to talk a little bit about saving and organizing and cataloging your designs. I think without a doubt, Amazon merch is going to be rolling out more products in the future. A while back, I made that video about the Amazon job posting. Amazon is actually looking to hire like a project manager or a director for the Amazon merch program. They're really looking to grow and scale this program. I think they said they want to be able to get print-on-demand items out within, out within 4 hours, and they want to be able to ship print-on-demand merchandise worldwide. So Amazon merch definitely looks to be expanding beyond just Germany and the UK. I think it's going to start rolling out to more countries here in the near future. And in that job posting, they said that really they wanted to be able to do print on demand with an endless amount of products. So at the very least, I'm thinking probably a lot of the products that we're seeing on other sites like Redbubble and Teespring, things like hats, throw pillows, shower curtains, duvets, leggings. I think we're going to start seeing more products like that. Probably phone cases, I think, would be one of the next ones to come. I think we're going to see more products rolling out here in the near future. And if you save your designs, which personally I haven't really been doing, it's going to save you a lot of time on uploading these products these designs on new products as they roll out. And then also, I was going to make a video touching on, a lot of people have been really concerned with the recent Amazon content policy update about what we can and can't put on t-shirts and keyword stuffing. I don't think it's nearly as, a lot of people seem to be really freaking out about it. I don't think it's nearly as big of a deal as people are making. So I'll probably be releasing that video on that topic tomorrow. But happy April Fool's Day, everybody. I'm sorry we don't have tank tops. Sorry if I got you going for a minute there. But that's all I got for you guys today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.